Ever wonder how websites know exactly what to show you when you visit a specific URL, like /profile for example? Well, that's what we are diving into today, LARAVEL routing. So what is routing? Think of routing as the traffic controller of your app. It tells Laravel what to do when someone visits a specific URL. Routes are defined in the routes web.php file. This is where you map URLs to actions. For example, this simple route tells Laravel when someone visits your home page, respond to it with Hello Laravel. Routes aren't just for GET requests. You can handle post, put, delete, and more. Here is a quick look. Route GET for fetching data, route POST for submitting data, route PUT for updating data, and route DELETE for deleting data. You can even use closures for quick logic or point to controller methods for bigger tasks. For example, when you hit the user's route with a POST request, Laravel runs the store method in the user controller class. In this method, you usually add the user to the database and return back a response. This keeps your code clean and organized. If you are wondering, what if I want one route to handle multiple HTTP methods? Laravel's got you covered with route match and route any. But heads up, use them wisely to avoid confusion. Here is where routing gets really powerful. Imagine you want to show a user's profile based on their ID. You don't want a separate route for every user, right? So in this case, we use parameters. Now, visiting /user/5 will show user ID 5. Easy. You can also have optional parameters like this. So if no name is provided, it defaults to guest. This flexibility lets you build dynamic user-friendly URLs. Quick tip. If you ever get a 404 not found when you think your route should work, double check your parameters and HTTP methods. It's usually a tiny typo. Trust me, I've been there. Laravel also offers some handy shortcuts for common tasks. Like if you need to send users from here to there, you can use route redirect. It saves you from writing etc. code. And if you want your route to just return a view without controller logic, you can just use route view. But if you want full CRUD routes for a controller, then you can use route resource. This one line creates all the routes for listing, creating, editing, showing, updating, and deleting posts. Super fast and super clean. You can even limit it like that. Very easy, right? Now, let me give you some quick tips. Always match your URL and HTTP verb exactly. GET routes won't respond to POST requests. Use named routes to make your code easier to maintain. For example, here you can generate URLs or redirects by name instead of hard coding paths. And the last one is, if you get stuck with errors, you might need to check your route files and clear caches with PHP Artisan route cache. If this video was helpful to you in any way, give it a like and subscribe for more clear beginner-friendly Laravel tutorials. Got questions or want me to cover something next? Drop a comment below. I read everyone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.